everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see links you have visited on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram links frequently open in apps built-in web viewer, so they are not recorded in your browser's history when you click on them. Fortunately, you can check a list of all the links you have opened on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, scroll downwards. Tap on Links you have visited. Here you can see all the links you have visited. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to see links you have visited on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.